Hello kitchen lovers, and welcome to yet another interesting video. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare Marghi Special. Marghi Special is one of the most respected soup of the people of Marghi from Adamawa State. If you're new here, you're welcome to this channel. This is my kitchen, my ways, and my name is Diana. Please do well to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel to join the family. I'll be super excited to have you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Your love and support is what is keeping me going on this channel. I'm not taking it for granted. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's begin. So in my pot, I go in with my mixed vegetable. I'll be using spinach and sorrel leaf, called yakwa in Hausa. I've already washed and cut them thinly like this. So I just put it into an empty pot. You don't put water at this stage. Just put in the vegetable like this. After which I went in with some chopped tomatoes, some peppers, and onions. I pounded the pepper, but for the tomatoes and onions, I just sliced them thinly like this. Just put it in and then mix it for all the peppers and the tomatoes and onions to be well distributed. After mixing the vegetables, I go ahead to arrange my fish on it like this. I'm using catfish, fresh catfish. Marghi Special is basically fish cooked with vegetable. So I've washed my catfish. I go ahead to arrange them like this on top of the vegetables, like so. I then went in with some thyme. Traditionally, thyme is not used, but you know, these days we use modern spices to cook even traditional soup. So after the thyme, I went in with some curry powder, like so, some seasoning cubes. Just sprinkle everything on top. Some salt. Just your taste, like so. And then sprinkle some water. You don't do too much because you know vegetable also has water. So you cover and allow it to cook for some time. This is it. You can see that the vegetable has gone down. I will now add in oil at this point. It's always cooked with vegetable oil, never palm oil. I don't know why. My Marghi people, please, anybody to tell us why you don't use palm oil, drop it in the comment section. But I've never seen Marghi Special cooked with palm oil before. So I went in with the oil and used my spatula to open the soup like this. And then cover it to cook again for some few minutes until the water is dried. Look at it. This is it. Our Marghi Special is ready. Again, why is it even called Marghi Special? Please, if you know, drop it in the comment section. Let's learn. Mutane Marghi, why do you call this Marghi Special? Then Allah ku sanar da mu a comment section. So this is it. Our Marghi Special is ready. You can serve it with any swallow of choice. I served mine with rice fufu. That's tuwon shinkafa in Hausa. Like I say, you can serve it with any swallow of choice. Traditionally, I understand it's usually served with tuwon dawa. That's a swallow made from guinea corn or tuwon masara. But these days, you can serve it with any swallow of your choice. So this is it. Our Marghi Special is ready to be enjoyed. Will you be giving this a try? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe. See you in my next. Bye.